So here we have a 1, a 2, and underneath Selena's tummy we have 3. I don't know if you can see it. And on the other side we have 4. Good morning, Selena. Yeah? You doing good today? Let's see how the babies are. Yeah, that's right. You're pretty. Good morning, babies. Oh, you're so cute. Yeah. Yeah, that's your little pile of fluffies. Alright, let's see. How's your food bowl doing? Yep. Somebody needs refilling. Alright. Look, they're alternating. Black and white, orange, black and white, orange, and Selena. Because mommy always has to be part of it. Yeah. It's supposed to rain later this week, so we reconfigured a few things. Because the tarp used to be attached to this railing here, so we've moved things around. Like her toilet used to be over here, and now her toilet is over here inside the tarp. And later today we're going to raise up all the boxes on these plastic shelving units, so when it rains it won't reach the boxes or hopefully the cloths, and everybody should be nice and cozy and safe. And right now the only thing holding the tarp down is this box that I found on the street years ago. Most of the stuff we're using is stuff we found, because yeah, Selena, making a lot of noise, aren't I? How's everybody doing? Hello. Yeah? Everybody's blue today? They're all on top of the little red guy. Yeah, Selena? I'm just going to pull this one back this way. It's on top of your babies before, and that's not nice. Aww. He's so sweet. Okay, so we put the plastic shelving underneath everything, and we put a corrugated plastic sheet over the top. I forgot the technical name for it, sorry. And this has her water and food in it, and that has her and her babies in it with a nice cozy blankie, and hopefully, oh, and of course bathroom off to the one side, and hopefully this will be enough to keep them nice and dry when it rains. I mean, it shouldn't be too heavy a rainfall, but better safe than sorry. Good morning, Selena.